Hi everybody, I'm Parna again with you all with a new topic. Do you know the fascinatingly crazy facts about Texas Longhorn cattle? The Texas Longhorns are renowned the world over for their remarkable long horns and lean meat, which has less saturated fat compared to other breeds. Animals Like list out some interesting facts about the Texas Longhorn cattle. A money machine. The Texas Longhorn is profitable even after it has outlived its usefulness as a beef producer. Being a symbol of the Old West, Longhorn skull, horn, and hide are in high demand and widely used to decorate business and homes. In 1493, Christopher Columbus brought these ancestral cattle to the Caribbean island of Hispaniola. Researchers state that this breed originated from two ancient cattle, namely taurine and Indican. In the 16th century, Spanish moved the cattle to the north, which is present-day Texas. For the next 300 years, Longhorns not only thrived but spread far and wide across to Midwestern grassland. Due to their adaptability and disease-resistant characteristics, they came to be valued not only by the breeders and ranchers but also by beef eaters in the East. Subsequently, when half a century, the Longhorns were punished to the verge of extinction. In the 1920s, the federal government stepped in and set up refuges to restore them. Gradually, breeders began releasing and value of the Longhorns and started risking and maintaining their own private stock. In 1964, the Texas Lawn Breeders Association of America was formulated in Lawton, Oklahoma. The main aim of this association was to notice the Texas Longhorn and its connection and American history, to share knowledge about their breed and motive owners to develop and maintain herds. This lifespan is more than 20 years if they are well colored for and have enough room to roam around. After this brief over of the history of the Longhorn, let's some more about magnificent beast. Appearance. They have short hair and don't below much hair even during the winter season. They have tiny ears, that's because their horns are the prominent part of their head. This head should portray masculinity or femininity. Cows are believed to have a feminine neck and smooth shoulders and small angular body. They are long-legged as compared to the other breeds. This gives them the advantage to travel long existence. They don't possess loose skin with which get put up in the bushes. No wonder they have lean meat. Color. Longhorns come in a wide range of colors. Texas Longhorn possess many traits, and apparently color is the most noticeable one. They can Some tends to get darker with age or may develop small spot as the age. Colors may range from black, blue, brown, brindle and white line back, dark yellow, mulberry, Parker brown, red and white spotted. Horns. Their most notable features though are their insanely long and large horns that can measure up to 8 feet wide. The size of the horn depends on the age of the animal. A young calf may not have large horns. They curve out and away from the head. $2 are paid for their horn. Many people use their horn as a home decor. Weight. They are a relative middle-sized breed. Bull generally is weighed between 1500 to 2200 pound. They are not muscular or huge in size, however, breeders lay more emphasis on their size and make them more muscular and beefy. Health. They are relatively middle-sized breed. Bulls generally weigh between 1500 to 2200 pounds. Cows around 850 to 1300 pound. They are not muscular or huge in size because breeders lay more emphasis on their size and make them more muscular and beefy. Reproduction. Longhorn heifers start calving before they are 16 months old. Heifers are known to conceive quickly. Even while they are nursing their mother, they have the ability to produce a living calf without any help before they are 16 months old. They continue calving yearly until they reach 16 or maybe beyond that. This makes longhorns a lucrative option for breeders. Cows are known to be excellent mothers and their reproduction rate is double than other breeds. Nature. They are fairly docile in nature, easy to handle and work with. They are known to be intelligent animals. They can be easily trained to exhibit in the show ring, pull wagons and to ride. Of course, if handled right, they are very easy to raise and breed. Uses. Every cow is bred only for two reasons, either to produce milk or for meat purpose. Apparently, this breed is pretty useful for meat. They produce very lean meat which contain little cholesterol and fat. Subsequently, the meat can be expensive because it is palatable, red in color and contains less fat. Many ranchers use them for riding purpose, so next time don't be surprised if you spot anybody riding a cattle. Diet. Owners don't